You made it.
Hey, nice shades.
You like these?
Yes, fancy.
Okay, real quick, before we go look at the house. All right, so specs of the house again, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Apparently there's a bonus room. And then the house is like right under 1,900 square feet.
Okay, you told me there's something that's crazy going on in here. What is it?
So here's the deal. The guy that inherited the house said the old owner hated banks, hated credit cards. He only dealt with cash. And he said there's most likely money hidden around this house.
So why didn't he take it?
He couldn't find it.
Oh my gosh, yeah, right.
Well, we'll find out. And real quick, we're divorced now, so you don't get half.
Finders keepers.
Well, you can't find anything. You're colorblind.
Okay, glasses. I don't know if he's teasing me, so I just like start searching everywhere and he can make fun of me after. I was just looking for cash. But regardless, I'm gonna try to find it. What is that, like a moat?
It's a planter bed.
You're telling me this house right here, this house is literally falling apart? Has a secret stash of money?
Well, you never know. If it is, it's mine. You ready to see what we bought?
Let's do this. This place is dope.
Terrible entry.
Yeah, it's very dark.
There's sunlight on the other side of the house, but this wall's blocking out the lights.
At least when all these cabinets come down, it'll feel brighter in here. It's just something very strange about this layout. What is going on here? Why is there so many walls?
It's weird. They have a bar, a dining area, and a formal dining area. Check it out. There's actually a really nice view.
Hello?
Jeff?
Yep.
Hey.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on, you guys?
Not much. Christina's just over here hanging out, touching toilets.
Jeff, is that really a toilet?
Yeah, why?
Oh my God, I thought it was a record player.
Yeah.
Why were you looking in the toilet?
Apparently the old owner hid money here.
So if I find the cash, do I get to keep it or what?
No, you give it to me.
Finders keepers.
Well, I'd give you a high five, but I'm good, I'll pass.
So right off the bat, this wall right here, do you think it's load bearing?
It looks as if it is.
What do you think is the cost to open up this space?
With everything done, you're probably gonna be about 6-7 grand for that wall.
Not 4 or 5?
It's more than 15 feet, dude.
Okay, so 6, 7. So we have commercial office space back here.
This is the weirdest room.
But look at, I mean, the house is great. Look at those views.
Slider's a little bit busted.
And what is this thing?
This is probably one of the worst patio covers I've ever seen. Oh my God, don't do that.
It's not secured.
Oh my gosh, it's not secure at all.
It's not even attached to the house.
You could literally kick this out and knock it over.
Wow. Well, at least we have a view.
The view's definitely a good selling factor.
So what do you think back here altogether? 6,000, 7,000?
Yeah, you might.
6,000?
I think he's pretty close.
All right, awesome. Let's keep going.
Look at that.
Oh, everything needs to come out. The
No,
house
no.
does not feel good. There's something off.
Well, just say we kept the existing beautiful shower walls and
Okay.
we just remodeled the rest. What do you think we're looking at?
With showers, you're probably around 60. Without showers, you're probably around 50.
Does that include removing this?
No,
So we could be pushing 70,000.
easily.
All right.
All right, guys.
you.
Have a good day. Take
right.
care. It's nice to see you again.
Keep you posted.
I mean, overall impression of the house. I think it's a pretty good house.
It needs so much work.
So I would say we think about worst case, 80,000. Plus whatever it's gonna cost to take down the wall. Comps are running in the low 7s.
Someone is gonna buy it for that price. Plus demo's gonna be finding somebody looking for that money.
With an $80,000 rehab budget, we're into this place for $620,000. Let's just hope there aren't any surprises. Housekeeping. Oh my God, look how much better.
This really is like, wow. Just opening up those walls right here and closing this wall off, it feels like a completely different house.
Yeah, it looks super, super cool.
See how this sink is at this diagonal, which is kind of funky? What if we did the island at a diagonal too? Facing the fireplace to match the sink. We've never done it, but I think it could be cool.
Thinking.
Don't think too hard, dude.
Here's the thing though, when you're here doing whatever you're doing, you're staring at the wall. If we do it this way, you're staring at the view.
If it goes diagonal, you're telling me you can't see the view from here? You just turn your head to the right.
You can't. You walk in the door, come around the corner.
The way the sink is on an angle, there's nowhere else to put this island. And besides that, I think the buyers are gonna love the flow and the look. You're gonna like it. Wanna do white cabinets, white counter?
We can do white counters, we can do white cabinets. but we have to pick a bold backsplash.
Yes, 100%.
We got to figure out something with the fireplace. It'll all come together.
Good by me.
Awesome.
This is what's gonna sell the house. We're gonna clean up all these trees and brush. Beautiful view.
Chain link fence has got to go.
It's the neighbor's fence.
Will they let us take it down?
I don't know.
I think we need a nice wood fence that's lower to capitalize on the view.
Okay, I get it, but we really got to get going. So I guess we can start building on our side of the fence, and we'll just try to keep contacting the neighbor.
Okay, I hope they're cool about it.
Oh, well, I would think so. Who doesn't want a brand new free fence? Done?
Sure.
Knuckles, come on.
No. How's it going?
It's going fantastic. You see this?
The backsplash really stands out. We've never done an island like this either. I really like it.
Wall, view. All right, we have a lot of funky stuff going on here, guys.
Front of this house is weird.
You brought the dog again?
It's my sidekick.
How much would it be just to get rid of all of this, and maybe we can just pour a new walkway or put big pavers down?
So just to tear all this out, you're probably about 1,500 bucks. So another few thousand to add new concrete back in.
We've already spent a lot of money here, but it does look like crap.
I think if we painted the bricks white, dark walkway, it would go with the theme of the house.
If you want to paint the brick and paint the concrete,
Yeah.
a couple $100. That's easy.
I don't like the way that the current pattern looks for the bricks, but I guess there's no way around that. The brick planter in front of the house is weird. It looks like a coffin. I get that it saves money, but come on, no amount of paint will fix it up. It looks hideous.
All right, so pretty much the walkway will be the focal point. It will be a darker gray. We'll have a white house. We'll do dark trim to match the flooring, and then the front door pop teal. What do you think?
For sure. We're doing grass, right?
Let me show you. We're gonna cut from this point on, so this will be a walkway to the house. Probably do sod this way.
So this is all gonna be grass.
Yeah. Dude, this is gonna be a great house.
Sweet.
Can't wait.
Come on, Cash.
Come here, buddy. Oh, he likes me. What do you think?
The landscaping looks a little bit buried. Still think we should have taken out the coffin, but it is what it is.
Overall, the house looks really nice, so let's go over the numbers. We paid $540 for the house. We did pretty good with the rehab. We only spent $85,000 with rehab and staging.
It's not bad.
Closing costs when we sell the house are gonna be about $25,000, so our break even is gonna be $650.
Okay.
All right, so I ran the comps. There's actually pretty good news. They're in the mid to high sevens. So here's
This is
what I'm
mid to high sevens?
Market's hot, a hot city.
That's really expensive.
It is really expensive. So I think this is the best plan of attack. We list at $799.9, and hopefully we'll get multiple offers.
All right.
$799.9?
Yep.
All right. We might not have found the cash, but we're gonna cash in.
800 grand to get a chain link fence?
Yeah.
This is Orange County.
Welcome.
All right.
Oh, you're gonna love the staging.
Looks so good.
This kitchen right here, beautiful.
The house looks so big. Like it has a lot of separate areas. Dining room looks really good. This room looks amazing.
Look how much bigger this room feels.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember it being this big, but there was so much stuff in this house, remember?
This could be a really cool room for any family, like a bonus room, a game room.
Oh, do you remember the side? The storage shed wall?
No.
Looks cute.
Much better. How many square feet is this house again?
A little under 1,900.
It feels a lot bigger. Like it has the footprint of like a 2,500 square foot house.
Yeah, it feels really big. You know what? That fireplace is incredible.
Yeah, we did a good job.
You know what makes this super cool? The vintage glass. I remember growing up, you know, in the 80s when so many people had this in their houses.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
Okay, let's keep it going.
The master's really nice. It's a big room. It's too bad that it doesn't have the view, but has a big closet and it has its own bathroom, which is huge.
It's definitely a little bit masculine, but it's super cool.
But we softened it up by adding the same backsplash in the kitchen to the soap niche.
It's not the biggest, but with the space we had, I think we nailed it.
Oh, definitely did a great job with the design.
It's so cute. I love the color of it. It just looks so bright and welcoming.
Oh my gosh, I love that blue door.
I like how it's at an angle.
It is, it's nice.
It makes it more open in here too.
Yeah. And it makes it so big, like so open.
Yeah.
Ooh, this has like a retro chic look. I like the wood accent, but it's really pretty, really nice. So this must be the master bathroom, very pretty.
I love this tile.
I don't know about the chain link fence. I wish this could possibly be a little bit higher, maybe up to here.
The open house went pretty well, but we did get some mixed reviews about our problem areas, the bricks in the front, and of course, the chain link fence in the back. So we ended up taking an offer below our asking price at $760,000.